What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, getting y'all one in before the sun go down, man. I've been busy today, but I'm trying to keep my streak going. I missed one day this month. I missed one day, but it's all good. But like I said, I might give y'all double uploads one day, man, to make up for that. That might be what I do. I might give y'all 2 uploads in the same day. One at my normal time and one in the evening to make up for that day I missed. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give y'all double upload one of these days for the month then. But today, y'all see the title. We finna take Big Dolo out. Clean all these leaves out. Finna take Big Dolo out, man. Make a hit with the Draggy. Cause I was thinking, I'm like, technically, I got a 2-speed 400 in the car right now. That's what it is. It's a Showtime built 2-speed 400. So I want to see the difference in ET between the 2-speed 400 and the 3-speed 400 that I had in there before I get it changed back over. Cause I'm about to get it changed like this week. Like we ain't playing. So I'm about to see the difference in ET in real time. And I tell y'all about a 2-speed 400 and all that. Really what they for. I don't really need it. But for now I'm finna move brown coat and all that. Set the car up. Y'all see we racing against the sun. It's going down right now. So I'm finna get this done. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, so I'm back. Bring y'all up. Bring me up, I should say. I'm back, man. Oh, got Big Dolo put up. 2 nice hits. The first one y'all seen was on the foot brake. The second one was on the tram brake. It pulled my foot off the pedal, actually. Pulled my foot off the pedal, which threw the 60 foot off. I would have liked to see what the 60 foot gonna be, but it is what it is. My first time ever owning a 2-speed 400. I think it's the first one DJ ever done too. By mistake, that's the funny thing. But the difference, now I got real world experience on how it drives versus how it performs and stuff too. And I would say I don't really like it. I can see how it can be beneficial though. I mean, driving wise, road wise, is normal. Like you could still drive anywhere, even though you miss a first gear. The way the gear set and the ratio is in the transmission, you can still drive anywhere, and it won't have your engine won't be all tacked out and stuff. You know, it won't be tacked out. So, cause it's a second and third gear. That's what it basically is. That 2-speed 400, which you can set them up different ways. A 2-speed 400 really is an expensive transmission. I will say I didn't know you can got the tracking on. I didn't know you can do a second and third gear 2-speed 400. I didn't know that, and a few people I talked to didn't know that either. A few people that build cars know that. But that's what it is. It's a 2 to 3 shift 2-speed 400. I say it drive normal. I mean, you can get on the highway with it and everything. I think people would hear it and think immediately like a Power Glide. A Power Glide will have you up in the RPMs. You know, you can have a 189 gear set in a Power Glide or 190. But a 400 do got more. They got a lot more options, gearing options in the transmission, and they stronger too. You can get the Ultra Case Glide and stuff and all that, but a 400 stronger. The internal stronger. It's bigger. It's a bigger transmission, man. It's stronger, which is why a 400 is my go-to transmission. I got 400 for 3 of these cars out here, so y'all know that. 350 decent too, but I love the 400. But like I said, road driving is normal. Like, you're still driving anywhere. You can drive that car anywhere. But I'm used to that snappy first gear, and I ain't got it now. It's a second gear, which it ain't gonna be in there long. But I better do it today, because within the next couple days it's gonna be back like it's supposed to, like I originally wanted. So then I won't have time to say, hey, I don't know how it handles and all that. But the difference in ET versus my best ET with the other just 3-speed forward manual valve body minus the trans brake, the one I took out, it was like a 1/10 difference, which it's a lot of factors going to that. It could possibly do the same thing. It's a lot of factors. I mean, time of day, the air, the driver, the wheel speed, how the car do, the traction. Like, it's a lot of variables, but it has potential to work good. 2-speed, that 2 to 3 shift 2-speed 400 really for higher horsepower cars, man. Now, if you got a super high horsepower car, I can see how they can be beneficial, cause they gon', you know, when you dealing with 2,000 horsepower or something like that, or 2-3 shift 400, I can see. I mean, it ain't gonna matter. Your second gear gonna feel like a first gear, but the fact that nature of the beast, and I ain't even gonna say 1,000 horsepower. I ain't gonna say 1,000 horsepower. You'll really want a 2 to 3 shift 400. I'm talking up there in horsepower. Like, 1,000 is a lot of power, but it ain't uncommon no more. But 2,000 and something, I can see it. Now, that transmission, I can see how it'll be super beneficial if you racing on hard tires and wheels, cause it ain't as violent or aggressive. Super beneficial for that. But y'all know I run both ways, and on a radio, maybe on nitrous. Now on the bottle, that transmission might be super beneficial on the bottle. I ain't gonna lie. But what I like to do, nah, not knocking it. In a future build, I may do a 2-3 shield 400. Keep it in there to get real world experience with it on the track and all of that. ET wise, I might do one. Cause I'm not saying it's terrible. I'm just saying it's not for me. It's not for that application. That's what I'm saying. It's for a super high horsepower application. But like I said, it did put down a good number in the road. I ain't gonna lie. That 2-speed 400 did do pretty good in the road on the draggy. It did do pretty good. But the difference in the best ET I done on the draggy versus that, it was like a 1/10 difference. So, you know. But man, look at our lights, man. I forgot, I ain't show y'all. Did what I was doing the other day. I might tell wife to plug them up, but y'all see them. I'm gonna tell wife to plug them up so y'all can see before I close the video out, man. I was out here going in. So let me see. She might be upstairs. Nah, she's. I'm gonna tell wife, hey, plug the Christmas lights up. I can show them on the vlog. I'm gonna get her to plug them up so y'all can see before we close the vlog out. And bought some more. Them orchestra lights, man. That's the move. I done got into Christmas decorating. So I'm gonna show y'all setup right quick. So y'all setup. Got a whole heap of these candy cane. I tell y'all what, this stuff ain't cheap either, man. Then we got these orchestra lights. They work with the music, with the app and everything. Then we got the snowflake, man. I think I'm gonna get another one. And the icicles, there they go. I finna say the icicles not on. There they go. Alright, but it ain't done though. I'm gonna show y'all, it ain't done. Then you got the projectors, but You can't see it on the house car, it ain't dark enough. You can see a little bit. You can see a little bit, y'all see it. It be snowflakes and stuff. And then if I would have turned the Christmas song on through the app, all this stuff syncs with the music. Them candy canes up there, all this stuff sync with the music. It be on beat with the music when it going and stuff. And I got some more candy canes and we just got some more string lights. They're gonna be on beat with the music and they're gonna be going, moving and all that. So you know. Then we got that. We got the snowflakes over here. I love Christmas, man. My favorite time of the year. I be in the Christmas spirit, man. So then we got the real looking icicles. You know, they be dripping. And I got a whole bunch of them, man. I ain't going up there though. I got enough icicles to where y'all see the top of the house right there. They're gonna go all the way across right there, all the way across the garage area, and all the way across the end area. So basically, and right here, where it you know, is triangle area. I got enough icicles, so it's gonna look like ice falling off the whole house. And then I'm gonna do some more, man. I don't know. We're gonna put probably them candy canes down there on that end to fill it out, and we got an inflatable. So you know, hey man, Christmas house decorating contest, man. Apartment room, wherever you stay, I ain't knocking nobody. House decorating contest, man. Y'all decorate. If y'all decorating stuff, hey, shoot them pictures to the email. I want to see what it looking like. I'm gonna show whoever shoot the pictures in the email, man. Put your name and stuff. I'm gonna show you love. We're going into Christmas. We're going into Christmas, so Christmas spirit. If you decorate your house, or the inside of your house look nice, or you decorate your car, or you got some kind of Christmas stuff on your car, send it to my email, JMalcom2004@gmail.com. Send me your name, where you from. I'm gonna shout you out on video. Every vlog in December, however, depending on how many pictures I get, I'm gonna shout people out. Christmas stuff. Let's do it, man. Christmas decorating challenge. So yeah, that's it, y'all. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.